guys, how are you doing today? It's a new diamond painting video. We did not do anything for around 2-3 weeks. I painted, but I did not post anything. Why? Actually, there is not a reason. We are in the middle of the Corona crisis. I don't know if it's the middle or just the beginning. It's the 31st of March right now. And we stopped working. Actually, France is completely in lockdown for around 2 weeks now. So I did some painting, not a lot. And I made a time lapse of it. I did a part on the bottom, dark blue. I did not film anything of this. And I make a time lapse of the top part that I did. Also blue with white. And after this, I will come back to you with the end results. And I will make a new video about big parts of the same color. And I have 3 different kinds of ways how I paint big parts of the same color, but we will continue this in a later video. So for now, enjoy the time lapse, and I will see you after the time lapse with the end results. So yeah, that was the time lapse, and tell me just in comment below, what do you think of it? I think it will get nice on the end. In the beginning that I was painting this painting, I was thinking maybe it's not that nice. It's a lot of blue on the top, it's a lot of blue on the bottom, and the part of the hotel, it's just 20-25 centimeters. So will it be nice? And actually, when I see it from far away, and we will do this in a minute, it looks pretty nice. But the problem that I have, and I told this already with the other painting that I did from this company, I have diamonds who are popping up, and I try heavy books on it. I try to roll it with this roller, and actually it gets better when I use this roller. I have to push very hard, and I use 2 hands to roll, because I think if I roll too hard with here, it will break. But when I put 1 diamond on it, 2 or 3 diamonds next to it will pop up, and yeah, I really hate it. And it's a hurricane, I hope I pronounce it correctly, diamond painting. And actually I bought this diamond painting from them because the comments of this company were very good, but I'm a little bit disappointed. But just let me know how you work with this company, or you have paintings, and how you think about it. But let's skip this part, it's not really that interested. Let us go and look the end results of this painting, what we did today, and how the rest of the painting looks. So let us go. So this is the painting for the moment. As you can see, indeed a lot of blue on the top and the bottom, and in the middle is the hotel starting. And I think actually it's pretty nice. Next part we will continue here on the blue. I will show you the 3 different styles, how I paint, if there is a lot of the same color. But for now, this is it. If you like it, just thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time. So thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye.